Hey, it's Neil, and I am going to show you this is the back seat car carrier for your dogs. So you could put your dogs in the back seat of the car, and it'll give them a little bit more room, and it makes it super comfortable for them. I'm gonna show you this going into the car. Sorry, the sound on the video didn't work. I don't know why the microphone, I'm wearing it, but you can get an idea of it. You can see it goes in the car pretty easy. I've got it going on a little bit fast speed here, but you can see the clips go, and it's going to clip up onto the back of the headrests in the front and click into the headrests in the back, and then it kind of hangs. The sides will hang from the handles that you have on there too. So you're going to see here as I'm going, I'm just kind of clipping these in, and they are just easy clips. And I have it going just fast speed because just so you don't have to see everything going. But you can see I have it just clipped up there. Now you get to see the back of me doing it too. It's hard, you can't really see it too great here, but I'm going to pick up the camera here in a minute and then you'll see it. And I'll put my dog in there too, so you can really get an idea of how it's going to work. But here we go. So here you can see that's how it is. It looks like a whole lot of space because now the dogs don't have to worry about falling on the floor or anything like that. And you've got little pouches and other areas for the dog too. So it's super duper nice. I'm gonna go get my dog here. So right now I'm getting the dog, and I will show you that here in a second. There's my dog, and I shoved her in the car, and she's got lots and lots of room now. So look at how much room she has. She's got lots of room to play in there, and I could even fit all three of our dogs in there without a problem, and they would like it.